I'm John with Wight Water Pool Service. I'm going to show you a typical float type valve autofill that helps keep your pool level at a certain level. What we have is we have the autofill here. You can see as I press it down, it actually turns on the water. It's adjusted with this little set screw here. What you're going to do is you're just going to determine or kind of guesstimate where the water level should be versus where your pool water level should be. And you want it about halfway up on your tile, usually set it. If you need to replace this, it just unscrews right here. You can see it's unscrewing. It'll unscrew there. You put a little Teflon in it, put it back in. Just don't over tight it because it is plastic there and you don't want to crack that. If you need any more help, please come to our store, Wight Water Pool and Spa Supply, or give us a call for Wight Water Pool Service, WIGHT. Thank you.